everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be trying to do another reverse dip. I'm going to use my thingamajig from the thrift store that's got some cool cutouts in it. I think you can see that. Made a cool design the last time, but my reverse dip didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to. And the lady that inspired me, her name is Fiona, and she's got, I don't know, 165,000, 170,000 subscribers. I thought there's no chance this lady's gonna respond to a comment I leave. But I took a chance, and sure enough, she answered my comment questioning what I was doing wrong. She actually subscribed to my channel. I am beside myself. My whole week is made now because I could not believe that this lady who is so busy and has amazing reverse dips subscribed, watched my last video of a reverse dip, and told me I was probably pressing too hard and that's why I lost my pattern. So I'm going to give it another whirl. So Fiona, if you're watching, fingers crossed, this time I have a successful reverse dip. And again, thank you so much for taking the time. For my little channel that's got, what, 150 subscribers, you actually took the time to comment and subscribe. So thank you so much. And everybody that keeps coming back, you know I love you. You know I'm so happy to read your comments. So happy that you come and watch videos. Keep it coming. Okay, so I got 14 by 14 canvas here. White acrylic on there. It's mixed 50% my glue and water mixture and 50% my white acrylic. And I'm going to put this right approximately in the center, pour some colors on it, and hope for a reverse dip. A successful reverse dip. It's going to happen. I can feel it. Okay, so the colors I'm picking is some burgundy that I made up, which is this color here. I've got a little bit of berry wine, some magenta, a little bit of red. I'm just going to layer the colors a little bit, add a little bit of green for greenery, and then put my plastic on, lightly press, and pull it up. We're going to have a reverse dip. Okay, so first down, just going to fill this area with my burgundy. I want this one to be my prominent color, that's why I'm putting so much on. Okay. Then I'm going to do a little bit of silver. Then I'm going to add my berry wine. Oop, got a bubble there, that's okay. Let me blow it out. See, I'm almost out of that color. That's okay. Then we're going to add some more silver. Then I'm going to put some of my magenta. A little bit more silver. Oh, I left my AC on, sorry you guys. I always forget to turn my AC off. I apologize. That's another blooper. You know me, every time I do a painting, there's a blooper. Okay, so then I'm going to do some of my apple red as well. And I'm hoping that these colors will kind of accent each other. We'll see. Then I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of gold. I'm hoping that the gold will show through in the middle a little bit. Okay. I think that's enough paint on there for a 14 by 14 canvas. Hoping so anyways. I can see the designs coming out there, which I'm happy about. We'll just give that a second to keep pouring out. And then I've got a little flake of red paint right here. I'm just going to pull that out. All the rest are just little red spots. That's okay. We can work with that. Okay. Now I'm going to take half this gold and go this way, and half this gold and go this way. I'm actually nervous doing this because what if Fiona really is watching? What if this doesn't work? And it's gonna work. Stay positive, Sandy. This is gonna work. Okay, I'm happy with the color, the combo design I have down here, so I'm just gonna pull this guy up. I'm gonna go straight up with him. Okay. Beautiful layered of colors there. I'm happy with that. Let's grab my paint knife, and I'm gonna go right into the center like that, in between each petal, pulling it into the middle. I like that the gold's showing there too. I might have to add a little dab of gold in the center here. We'll see. Definitely showing potential. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of gold in there. My gut says to put some in, so I'm going to do it. I think I'm just going to draw a line through just to move it around a little bit. Okay. So now I'm going to go through the center here and the center here. Just about ready to put my plastic down. Don't go away, you guys. This could get exciting. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Okay. I think this line needs to be a little bit longer here. And maybe this one as well. A little bit longer. Okay. Do I look fairly even? I think so. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. Now to put the plastic down. Oh, forgot to torch. That's important. I got a torch. Get those bubbles out first before I put that plastic down. Okay, here we go. It's just a light tablecloth from the dollar store, piece of plastic. I'm just going to lightly place it. Now I'm just going to lightly touch, very lightly. Just to make sure that everything is touching. I know when Fiona does this, she uses a wet napkin. I don't have a big enough wet napkin to do it on a 14 by 14 canvas. So I'm just lightly touching. Okay, I'm pulling it up. I'm not going to touch anymore. I'm going to just slowly go this corner to this corner. Lifting slowly. Then I'm going to do this corner. Slowly. And this one. I'm just going to pull my sides up a little bit by bit. Kind of holding my breath right now. And I'm going to go straight up. And I think I officially have my first successful reverse dip. Let me give it a torch. Lots of bubbles here. Now I'm thinking there's still more bubbles. I still see lots of paint hiding here though. I feel like I need to blow it out. She doesn't ever have to blow hers out though. Okay, I'm just going to tilt it a little bit. See if I can get any of this paint moving at all. The inside, of course, is moving. Got cool cells coming up on here. I don't want to lose my flower, but I definitely need to blow that out. I have to grab my airbrush. I can't leave it. There's so much paint sitting here, see? I would still say that this is a successful reverse dip with a little bit of blowout happening. You know what I didn't do? I didn't put the green down that I wanted to. Now I'm blowing these tails out because there's too much paint in there. Okay, I don't think it's too late to add some green. I'm going to do it. I'm living on the edge, you guys. I'm just going to add a little bit, little dot here, and a little dot here. Maybe one on every corner. Let's do it. There's no real rules with art, right? You just do what you do. Okay. Oops, that one's got a bubble. Oops. Okay. Now I'm just gonna squiggle this through a little bit. And then blow it out. Okay, let's see what we can make of this here. That one I'm losing pretty much everything. I gotta put some color in there. Okay, let's put a little bit more of the dark green in there. I hope you're still with me. This was going to be a little bit of a quicker painting than I thought, but plans change. Okay, blow that a little bit. Okay, I'm liking that. I'm going to give it a little bit of a torch. And there we have a reverse dip with a little bit of greenery added at the end and a little bit of air blown. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that. Just going to tilt it back a little bit so I don't lose my middle. And there we go. I think I can officially say I have a successful reverse dip, lightly pressing, as I was advised by Fiona, who does this beautiful reverse dips all the time and never has a problem. I think I just need to add more paint, maybe a little bit more of a mixture of colors. I'll definitely be trying this again. Alright everyone, thanks for joining me. Again, please hit the subscribe button. Come back and watch another video. Thanks again.